It's a new season, a perfect opportunity to do something new, something bold, something beautiful. This is a gorgeous look for fall. Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So I've been getting a lot of messages as to why I deleted all my old videos. Well, it's still there, I just put them on private. And why I don't talk in front of the camera instead of doing voiceovers. To be honest, I don't like the way that I sound. Even though most of you do, but I am very insecure about myself. To understand me more, you have to know my life story, and I don't know if anyone is willing to listen. Yeah, back then I had a lot of followers and viewers, but now I still have a lot of followers and less views. I don't really care about that. I really do like posting videos though, but I'll try to talk more. And if I talk more to the camera, maybe my communication skills will get better. Well, hope you all like this video I made. I want to try to get back into doing makeup videos. And if you want to hear my life story, leave a comment below. And I will try my best to make one without being scared or insecure. So here's the look. Enjoy! I'm going to start with my eyebrows first. I will be using the Anastasia Brow Wiz in Ebony to outline my brows. But draw a light line in the inner corners and then a little darker towards the end. Then I'm going to fill in my brows with the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in dark brown. I like to start on the arch of my brows and lightly in the inner corners, making an ombre effect. I'm going to take the other side of my Brow Wiz, which features a spoolie, and blend the edges together and also the part where the ombre is. Next, I'm going to apply the MAC Prep+Prime Skin Base Visage, which will make my foundation easier to apply. Then I'm going to apply the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Liquid Foundation in Y365 all over my face with my MAC 191 brush and blend it with the Beautyblender. I'm going to apply my MAC Pro Longwear Concealer in NW25 under my dark circles with my MAC 195 brush and blend it out. Then I'm going to set my face with my MAC Mineralize Skinfinish Natural in Medium Golden with my MAC 187 brush. Now onto the eyeshadow. First, I'm going to apply the Urban Decay Primer Potion so my eyeshadow lasts all day. I'm going to take the MAC Cork eyeshadow with my MAC 222 brush and apply it on my upper crease. Then I'm going to take the MAC Soft Brown eyeshadow with the same brush and apply it on the crease area and blend it with the Cork eyeshadow. I'm going to take the MAC Mineral eyeshadow. I think this eyeshadow is discontinued, and apply it on the outer corner of my crease with my MAC 217 brush. I'm going to take a big fluffy brush and apply the MAC eyeshadow in Phloof on the brow bone. I'm going to take the MAC Roll eyeshadow with the same brush and apply it on the outer crease and also on the crease. This will give the look a pop of orange color. I'm going to take my MAC 239 brush and apply vanilla on my lid. Then apply the MAC eyeshadow Goldmine on top of vanilla to give it some color. I'm going to take a Q-tip and clean the edges of my eyeshadow. You can also use tape to give it a more defined look. Make sure you blend the eyeshadows together. Next, I'm going to apply my eyeliner and create a wing look. Then I'm going to apply the Phloof eyeshadow on my tear ducts and apply Mineral and Rural eyeshadow on my lower lash line. I'm going to curl my lashes and apply the MAC False Lashes Mascara. Afterwards, I applied the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Pencil in 0 on my waterline. These are my favorite lashes because they are natural. I used the Ardell lashes in number 110. Next, I'm going to apply the MAC Powder Blush and Feeling. This has also been discontinued. Back to my brows. I'm just going to put them in place with my MAC Brow Set and Clear. Last but not least are the lips. Before putting makeup on my face, I like to use a sugar scrub to exfoliate my lips so lipstick can go on smooth. Then I use the MAC Prep+Prime lip to give my lipstick moisture. I apply the MAC lipstick in Antique Velvet.